Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to install Liberty Basic. So open Google Chrome and start typing Liberty Basic. In Liberty Basic, easy programming for Windows. Click the option. Then Liberty Basic version 4.5.1 is available. Go to the download and click to download Liberty Basic now. Choose the file and go to the save option. After downloading, we open the file .exe file. Now go to the next button. Installing process is starting. Now Liberty Basic is installed. Click the finish option and after the countdown it will start. The dialog box is open. Counting is already finished. Close that part and go to the new blank file, and this is the page. You type here your programs and run the button using F5 key.